We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making our easy watermelon salad. This salad is fresh, quick to make, and has an almost addictive salty-sweet flavor combination. We love it. To start, we need to cut our watermelon. I like to remove the ends first. This way, we have a flat surface to set the watermelon on so that it doesn't wobble around. Next, I use my knife to slice the peel away. Sometimes this takes a few swipes since I don't always cut deep enough. I often find that I need to flip the melon to remove any peel that I missed. This is an 8-pound seedless watermelon. For this salad, we need half of it. I just save the rest for another salad or dessert later. We like cubes of watermelon in the salad, but you can slice into strips or thin wedges. You could also use a melon baller and make spheres of melon if you'd prefer. Alright, now that we have the watermelon cubed, we can move on to the rest of the ingredients. For that salty sweet flavor combination, we're adding cubed feta cheese. I like keeping the feta in cubes to match the watermelon, but you can also crumble it into the salad. Next, my favorite part, lots of fresh herbs. Any fine herb works here, but our favorites for watermelon salad are parsley and mint. For the parsley, I chop the leaves in fine stems, and for the mint, I pull away the leaves and chop them small. While we love parsley and mint, basil, cilantro, or other fine herbs are great substitutes. As usual, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. We love lots of texture in our salads, so for some extra crunch, we add toasted sunflower seeds. Now the salad needs a little seasoning, so here I'm adding a pinch of salt, some pepper, red wine vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Remember, all ingredient amounts and lots of extra tips are found in the recipe on Inspired Taste. Just toss everything together and the salad is ready. The moment you take a bite, you'll want to make watermelon salad all summer long. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.